guys, let's get started with your yearly tarot reading. So, I hope that your year is going really good, or I don't know which day you're watching this. So, let's get started. So, the first card is for your health. Okay, so for your health, the cards are saying that it is very important that you take control of your health. Okay, a lot of times, people have this notion that, oh, health is something that is in God's hands. Definitely, you are living because God has permitted you to stay alive. That is the reason why you are alive. But while you are on this planet, your health, your body is actually under your control. What food you eat daily is under your control. So try to eat healthy food, try to exercise regularly, try to keep all the precautions. See, this card is saying that you need to keep all your precautions, you need to follow all your precautions. Also have good food. Okay, also if possible stay indoors. Okay, this guy is just sitting. So yes, staying indoors would be necessary. Plus, yes, do exercise also. Okay, try to have more fruits because this guy has some oranges in his hands. So oranges will be good for you. Any fruits that you can eat are going to be good for you for this year. Okay, so this is actually what is coming up for your health. And yes, precautions, taking all the precautions is going to be necessary. Let's see what is going on for your wealth area, for the money in your life. For the money, the card has to say that there can be certain risks that you may have to take this year. Okay, and these risks can be some, yeah, it can be really tricky, it can be really scary, but the card says that you need to take leap of faith. Okay, also just because we have this Fool card, it says that you're just beginning something. It can mean that a new beginning to earn money can come this year. Okay, plus also just because it's a new beginning means the money cannot be that much. Money won't be a lot, money won't be in abundance, but money may be there a little. Okay, this guy has a little bit of purse, a little bit of wallet with him, so you may have a little money. So just make yourself comfortable within that. Okay, so let's see what's happening in your relationships. Okay, so for your relationship, this is about all the relationships in your life. Okay, all the people who are important to you. This card says that try to be articulate in the way you communicate with people, especially yes, try to be a learner. Okay, try to be a learner, try to learn everything from people. Yes, be a learner. And yes, try to have new ideas, all the new ideas that you have, try to share it with people. Okay, so this is a year of communication. This is a year of sharing good ideas, having a good talk, having good communication with people who actually matter to you. Okay, now for love life. So for love life, this card says that it is necessary that you and your partner spend some time, go out on a vacation, go out with your partner and spend some good time with them. Okay, it is necessary that you actually go out somewhere. Okay, if you can't take an abroad trip, or if you can't take a world tour, it's okay, you can just go to the neighboring city and stay with your partner there. Okay, just go to a nearby to the most nearby location and enjoy with your partner in that. Most people, they overlook this idea of spending time with the partner alone in some different place. This is actually very necessary, because it actually breaks your pattern, it takes you out of your comfort zone. When things don't work out, when you are continuously in your comfort zone and things are not working out, break your pattern, go out of your comfort zone and make things work. Okay, when you do that, you are going to make some immense changes in your love life. Okay, so this is going to be extremely essential. And suppose you are single, you may say, oh, with whom do I go on a vacation? So yes, so for you it is important that you take a trip, that you go out and meet new people. When you go out on a vacation, there are chances that you may meet a new person while you are on the vacation. Okay, let's see what is happening with your career or purpose. Okay, so for your career purpose, it says that you may have a lot of money. Okay, so but this is not exactly about sharing money. Okay, it says that a career and purpose, yes, about money in your career. It can say that you may have to give a lot of money to people. um yes, giving a lot of value, not exactly money, because just if you are in a banking profession, this may apply to you. But whatever you are doing, try to give more value than what you are getting from people. Okay, that's the first thing for your career. From people means give more value to your customers than what money you are taking from them. Okay, the second thing is the 10 of cups. Okay, the 10 of cups is where um for your career it's essential that emotionally you be nice and steady. Okay, there are chances that your customers may lose it, but you are not supposed to lose it. Okay, emotionally just try to stay balanced and steady. Plus, accept people the way they are, accept your customers the way they are, accept your colleagues the way they are. Okay, don't expect them to be too perfect. Okay, let's see what is happening for the spirituality. Okay, so for this, it says that, for spirituality, first thing it says you are likely to be very confused, feeling trapped in your present circumstances. Okay, second thing it says that going out, okay, going out and earning money, going out and making money, doing something creative in order to make money, that will actually develop yourself spiritually. This may sound confusing, right? You may say, oh, this is not a career reading, this is not a money reading. Why are we talking about money? Why are we talking about career? See, certain things, they also are like interrelated. When you work on some career that is related to creativity, and when you try to earn money from it, this is actually going to help you to develop spiritually. Okay, now you say, acha, so this is actually what's the secret for everyone. It is the secret for your sign for this year. Okay, I cannot say that if people are feeling trapped, this is what they'll do and they'll feel happy. This is not going to be the solution for everyone. Okay, this is for you specifically for this year. So yes, so this is the reading that we have for your sign. So yeah, so let me know how did you like this video in comments below. If you have liked this video, hit the like button and try to share this video. Try to share all the yearly reading videos with as many people as you can. And I will see you again in my next video. Until then, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.
Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.